Can I tell you something?
Sure.
I think English hates me.
What happened this time?
Yesterday I said, I am boring. Everyone started laughing.
Because you told them, you make other people bored.
Wait, what?
You wanted to say, I am bored.
English tricked me again.
No, English just watches quietly, while we confuse ourselves.
Fine. Then today I said, I love dessert.
Sand or cake?
Cake. Obviously, cake.
Then you meant dessert.
Why does one extra S change everything?
Because English likes drama.
I'm starting to think English needs therapy.
Maybe. But first, you need more practice.
Okay, one last question. Why is the K silent in knife?
Because the K is shy.
Really?
No, but that's easier than explaining the real reason.
You know what? I'm not scared of English anymore. I'm scared of silent letters.
That's progress. Yesterday you were scared of English. Today you're only scared of a few letters.